The beauty of Holland in spring, it's time to prepare for these displays, but in a smaller scale, in a pot. Stay with me for some inspiration and learning here on Channel 1. Hello, greetings from the garden. It's time to make our annual Dutch lasagna. Layers of spring bulbs from tulips, narcissus or daffodils to crocus. And again, our recipe for Dutch lasagna, 3 layers of spring bulbs. On the bottommost, we're planting the tulips at least 6 times the bulb height. That's the depth we need. Do you know that you can also plant tulips in warm climates? I made an experiment on that last year and it was successful. There's a video on that adventure in the description box, as well as in the tab on this video. Let's bury the bulbs, and that also prepares us for the next layer. We'll plant the daffodils or the narcissus. The skin open side the cut. We will have to spread them as evenly as we can before burying them, and arrange them with the right side up. Stop. Now it's time to bury the daffodils. The crocus next. For this topmost layer, for the crocus, we don't have to arrange them with the right side up. They will find their way. So let's just spread them as well as possible. We can bury them now. Yeah. And this finishes the preparation of our Dutch lasagna. Come back early spring for the show. Let's have these bulbs chill here over the winter, and we hope to see them back with their glorious display of flowers in spring. This has been Romulo on Channel 1 for growing, cooking and sharing. See you on the next video. And that concludes our short tutorial or inspiration. I'd like to leave you with the seeds from last year's winter. The tulips need mild winter to chill. I'd like to thank you for joining me here today and for supporting our channel. Thank you for patronizing this kind of content, gardening, cooking. We have uploads every week, so don't miss any upload by subscribing and clicking the bell icon so that you will get notified every time we have a new clip online. Romulo here, your Kuya and uncle. Diusawati. Bye.